Hi guys, welcome to Magic Art by Kids. My name is the Ice Queen, and today I have a special guest going to draw with me. Would you like to say your name for us?
Rainbow Sparkle.
Thank you very much. So, today we are going to be drawing a rainbow. No, Rainbow Sparkle. We're going to be drawing this picture.
That's a rainbow.
Just the colors are the rainbow and the signature is rainbow, but really we're going to be drawing a picture of your hand.
That's so fun.
So we're going to need a little bit of supplies. All you're going to need is a piece of paper. Do you have that, Rainbow Sparkle?
Yes.
A pencil. Do you have that?
Yes.
And some crayons. Do you have that?
Yes.
Okay, check. So we're going to get started. You're first going to make your hand. You're not going to draw it with a pencil like blah, blah, blah. We're going to trace your hand. So you're going to put your hand on the paper. Get ready to do that. Put your hand on the paper. Then grab your pencil. And then trace your hand and also count the arm. Trace around your fingers. So now we're going to start doing colors. So we're going to be doing the rainbow order, but you can do like any kind of order you want. So let's grab our red. Do you have that?
Yes, Ice Queen.
So first we're going to draw a line from the paper. Then we're going to do a curve just like that. And then you color a line on the other side. That's starting to look great. So we're just going to keep going on with the rainbow. And yeah. How's it going, Rainbow Sparkle?
Good. I'm done with my orange.
So you can color along if you want. We're just going to go ahead and color our hearts in. So you're going to actually want to make the lines on the hand curved and then the lines on the side straight so it can make it look like it's a 3D drawing. Just a tip. How's it going, Rainbow Sparkle? Are you having fun?
Good. I'm having so much fun.
Great! Your pink looks amazing.
Thanks.
Okay, now we're done with that first half. We're going to repeat the rainbow until this whole thing is filled up. So we're first going to start with red again and just keep doing the same thing. Straight line outside, curved line in on the hand. And if you're too little to do it, you can just follow Rainbow Sparkle. She's not exactly following and making it 3D. She's just having fun. Rainbow Sparkle, I see that you're almost at the fingers. You want to slow down and try to make your lines a little smaller?
Sorry, I can't make them smaller.
It's okay. It's the parts of having fun.
Purple. I'm still not almost done.
So once you reach the end of the rainbow on your hand, you just want to repeat. What are you drawing, Rainbow Sparkle?
I'm drawing some dirt.
Some dirt. Maybe you're making a handprint in the dirt.
Mm-hmm.
And you could be wearing a rainbow glove.
Mm-hmm. Because I have a rainbow glove.
That was a nice little rhythm.
It's sunny outside. Gonna make a sun.
So, like, Rainbow Sparkle's background is basically in the summer. She's pressing her hand in the mud to make a handprint. If you're a little kid like Rainbow Sparkle, you can do it your style. You don't have to make it 3D. You can make it 2D, like Rainbow Sparkles.
Oh, and I also want to add some flowers.
Flowers is a great idea. Here's a fun fact. Flowers grow in the area with soil, so that was a great choice.
Thanks.
It must be a very great day in your place.
I know, it's so good.
By the way, what's the weather in your area? Rainbow Sparkle, what is the pink thing?
It's the other stuff on flowers.
You mean the petals in the middle? With the pollen stores?
Yeah, the middle will be, it can be some gray.
Once you finish a finger, you can just go right over it with a curve if you're doing a taller finger. When you finish a shorter finger and there's no more left to color in it, you can just color over it with the colors. You can use your imagination for your background. Like in Rainbow Sparkle's background, she's putting a big orange juice outside. Is it floating?
It's just a cloud.
Wow, she just made a cloud that looks like an orange juice bottle.
And a straw.
Okay, now we're both done with our hands. We're going to work on background. I did stars for my background and I signed it at the top. Okay, so for the star, we're just going to draw a straight line across. Straight line across. Then a line going down. Just make a T letter. And then you're going to draw a line slanted. And then another line. And just keep doing that around the paper. Keep changing crayons as you get it.
3 stars for blue, 3 stars for green.
So we're gonna wait for Rainbow Sparkle to finish her stars. Then we're going to do something. What are you drawing, Rainbow Sparkle? Is that another flower?
A flowing flower balloon.
Are you ready to do the last thing of our picture? That's looking really great. Do you want to hear what we're doing next?
Yeah.
So, for our last part, we're going to put our name. You don't have to do this. You can just write a bunch of letters. Grab a crayon. Are you grabbing a crayon?
Can I borrow this green one for it?
Sure. We are going to write a letter or the name. What are you writing? Are you writing your name or?
No, I'm just writing some letters I know. I'm just practicing.
I'm gonna write Ice Queen. Now we're done. We're going to wait for Rainbow Sparkle.
Done.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.